Greetings with peace, viewers. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common condition in which the force of the blood against the walls of the arteries is consistently too high. Blood pressure is measured in millimeters of mercury and is expressed as two numbers, systolic and diastolic. The systolic pressure is the top number and represents the pressure in the arteries when the heart beats, while the diastolic pressure is the bottom number and represents the pressure in the arteries when the heart is at rest. Risk factors for high blood pressure include age, family history, obesity, smoking, lack of physical activity, stress, and a diet high in salt and processed foods. Treatment for high blood pressure usually involves lifestyle changes, such as eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and quitting smoking, as well as medication if needed. Regular blood pressure monitoring is also important to manage and prevent high blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, it's important to stay hydrated and to consume beverages that can help normal your blood pressure. Before we proceed, can you do us a favor? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are the 10 drinks that can help lower blood pressure naturally. Number 1. Water. Drinking water can help lower blood pressure by reducing the amount of sodium in the body. This is because when you drink water, it helps to flush out excess sodium in the kidneys. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day can be beneficial. Number 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is an herbal tea that has been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects. It contains compounds called anthocyanins and flavonoids that can help relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea per day may be helpful. Number 3. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is another drink that may help lower blood pressure. It contains antioxidants called polyphenols that can help protect the heart and blood vessels. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of pomegranate juice per day may be beneficial. Number 4. Beet juice. Beet juice is high in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of beet juice per day may be helpful. Number 5. Low-fat milk. Low-fat milk is a good source of calcium and potassium, which can help lower blood pressure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of low-fat milk per day may be beneficial. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea contains compounds called catechins that can help improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day may be beneficial. Number 7. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is high in antioxidants and polyphenols that can help improve heart health and lower blood pressure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of cranberry juice per day may be helpful. Number 8. Coconut water. Coconut water is a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of coconut water per day may be beneficial. Number 9. Oatmeal water. Oatmeal water is made by soaking oats in water and then straining out the liquid. It is high in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of oatmeal water per day may be helpful. Number 10. Vegetable juice. Vegetable juices like carrots, celery, and spinach can be a good source of potassium and other nutrients that can help lower blood pressure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of vegetable juice per day may be beneficial. It is important to note that while these drinks may help lower blood pressure, they should not be used as a substitute for medication prescribed by a doctor. It is always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.